Hey guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. It's November and it's time for Thanksgiving. Every year you make that same old thing. You stuff the turkey with stuffing. Well, not this year. Pumpkin season is here. Pumpkin here, pumpkin there, pumpkin everywhere. If you love pumpkins, we have the perfect pumpkin pancake recipe for you. Click on the link above and that will guide you right there. While you're at it, you can accompany this perfect pumpkin pancake with this homemade pumpkin pie spice latte drink. And as always, the link is above. Go ahead and click on that and you too will have this recipe. Today, we're gonna stuff pumpkins. That's right, you heard correct. We're gonna be stuffing pumpkins instead of that turkey for one of the most biggest days of the year right here in the United States, Thanksgiving. Without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to get this delicious side stuffed pumpkin dish that will be devoured more than the turkey itself. And what do you think of this as your centerpiece for your Thanksgiving dinner table? I know the turkey is about to become jealous. And turkey, we are not gonna be stuffing you this year. And let me tell all you guys about the aroma that this has infused the entire home. Wish you guys were all right here right now because you will smell the essence of Thanksgiving. Wow, look at this. Steams up, smells so good. Let's try it out. Look at that cheese. Wow. Really, guys, You need to try this. This is heavenly. Wow, I don't know. Look at that cheese. Oh, wow. Yeah. Let's try this. I don't even want to shoot any more video. I just want to eat this. This is a winner. You know what? Let me tell you guys something. The smile on my face should tell you already. The flavors in this, I'm very, very satisfied. Wow, it was a lot of work, but you know what? It was worth it. We got this to be your star of your dinner table show. And watch your guests devour this more than the turkey itself. Well, that just wraps up today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts on this stuffed pumpkin. Share with your friends and family, and most of all, that bell. Click on that bell so that you're notified when my next videos upload. For me, I'm very grateful and thankful to have all of you on my channel, commenting, supporting me throughout my journey. Thank you so much. And until next time, keep on gobble gobbling.